Removing the trunk light right by the exit. It's really easy to take off. There are 2 clips, one on each side. Grab the plastic pry tool. Use this side or that side, but be sure to go from the clip's edge, not from the clip itself. You can feed the pry tool in. We slid it in. Carefully pry up the cover from this edge. Then, do the same here and it comes off easily without any trouble. There are 2 screws to unscrew here. Then the light fixture slides down smoothly. Just give it a little bit of a pull and the whole mount comes loose and slides down smoothly. There's a small clip right here. If you press it gently, the connector will pop off smoothly without any trouble. That's how the light comes off. Next,